Problem 4. The fifth, 8th and 11th terms of a GP are P, Q, S respectively. Show that Q are equals to PS. See given. What is given? Fifth term, that is A5 is given. A5 equals to P. Next, A8 equals to Q. Next, A11 equals to S. So A5 formula, A into R power 4. A into R power 4 equals to P. A into R power 7 equals to Q. A into R power 10 equals to S. This is the given. Now we will prove that Q square equals to DS. What is Q? What is Q? A into R power 7. Okay. So Q square means A into R power 7 whole square. Now see, AB whole power m. So A power m into B power m. A square into A power m whole power n is A power mm. A power mm. So A square into R power 14. Now find PS value. PS. What is PS? P value? P value A into R power 4. S value A into R power 10. That equals to A into A is A square. See this is also from A power m into A power n. A power m plus n. That equals to A square into R power 10. Observe that Q square value A square into R power 14. Observe that Q square value A square into R power 14. PS value also A square into R power 14. Therefore Q square equals to PS.